Right after ng wall ni Amore natin, is automatic na po natin si Foresta District 1.
Yun, automatic Foresta.
Heritage tree. This is we call the acacia tree po natin. So acacia tree natin is the boundary po natin going to our district. So district 3 is 50 hectares. District 2 po natin is 49 hectares. And our district 1 po natin is 19 hectares. District 1 po tayo dito. Ayan, this is District 1. And beside of it, yung may board up tayo sa gilid, that will be our next development, golf course po natin.
Ito, one sa direct.
Yes. Yung golf course po natin na total of 65 hectares with 18 holes po tayo for that. So that's one of the benefit po na pwedeng makuha ni clients, especially for Foresta projects natin. Malapit sila sa golf course po natin. Then of course, if you're gonna ask me yung regarding with our price nga natin, price per square meter, we are starting around 200, 210 square meters per tayo. So as of the moment, yung pinaka price range natin for Villar City is we are around 203 to 200 plus million pesos per tayo. So ganun po medyo ka-pricey yung price natin.
Di ba pag golf course, kailangan mag-member sila noon? May organization.
Yes. So kadalasan yan po yung mga developments natin as of the moment. So if hindi natin we have our first na cafe din po natin.
Yes, may prospect na yata po.
So if so ever may clients po kayo for presentations,
kasi may golf course
if hindi
maglaro mga matatanda, may hilig yan.
functioning na po natin siya. So you don't have to worry, may clients po kayo for presentation, pwede natin dalhin sa press na cafe po para mas madali yung mag-discuss natin.
Tama.
So if you need some assistance or clarification about the project, just let us know. Willing po naman po kami magtulong during our presentations. Okay? So ayan, do you have any other questions?
Wala pa po.
Sige. Tapos so far ngayon, as well, diba familiar tayo with the Portofino projects natin. Si Portofino projects po kasi natin, diba naka-Italian dito tayo. So with that being said, lahat ng mga developments under Portofino should be Italian tea. But for Foresta project natin, this is the first development of Villar natin na wala tayong pina-follow na theme. 3 architectural form po tayo for that. But let's make sure or let's highlight with our clients for that, yung minimum cost po natin of yung bahay po natin is 17 million to 20 million and above. Requirement po natin siya sa cost po ng bahay. So isa yun sa mga restrictions natin pag Foresta project po tayo. Even though, kahit even with our Foresta projects din naman, if they sort to have their own houses na hindi sila kukuha sa model houses natin, though if magda-design sila, dapat still Italian, but ipapa-approve pa din po sa planning natin, and it should be worth 17 to 20 million pa din po. Yes po.
Bukod ang lupa kasi bahay yun.
Yes. Pwede po silang kumuha ng sarili nilang construction worker or contractor sa labas pwede. If kung okay din naman sila lang, kami na lang po siya. But if ever na ibang contractor yung kukunin natin, meron tayong tinatawag na construction bond for that. Yung construction bond natin, if you're familiar, it's 500,000. Alright? Yes, after construction, if wala po tayong na-violate when it comes with the structural courts, if okay po tayo with the planning, then ibabalik natin yung construction bond natin.
So, presently pa tayo ng Foresta.
Yes.
Oo naman.
So again, turnover natin for Foresta, that will be on 4th quarter of 2026 or 1st quarter of 2027. So if you have noticed, wala pa po tayong land development for that. So target natin start for land development probably 2026 or 4th quarter of 2025 next year.
So meaning wala pang module unit na?
Wala pa po tayo for that. Since pre-architectural tayo for Foresta, we don't provide module units po. Kasi nasa freedom na po ni client kung ano yung gusto po nila. Okay?
Magandang bahay yan. Asa yung concept niya, similar doon sa
Yes. Any other questions?
Wala pa sa ngayon.
Wala na.
Pero meron kami maipapakitang tours. Pwede naman po.
We will also be cascading with you our tinatawag na PPS slides. Andun na din naman, indicated din naman po lahat doon yung mga perspectives or kung ano yung mga bahay na pwede itayo within the Foresta projects.
Yung price list.
Yes.
Sige.
Are we okay with that?
Yes.
Sige. Before we go out, before we move forward, picture lang po muna tayo.
Sige.
Golf course. This is our 65 hectares natin na development. So, if you're gonna ask me, sir, kailan po tayo mag-start ng construction for golf course? Ongoing po tayo with our international consultants as of the moment.
International consultants.
Yes, nevertheless, anytime from now, the construction for our golf course will commence pag okay na po tayo with our consultants.
Napakaganda ito pag natapos to.
Correct.
Sir, question. Sa golf course, kahit hindi sila homeowners, pwede sila makapag-member?
Yes, opo.
Okay.
Outsiders.
Yes.
Outsiders.
District Oban po?
Billions.
Villar City?
Yes po. This is
Ah.
the West
West
District
Villar.
po ng Villar City.
Kasama rin to dun sa 3,500 hectares.
Yes po,
3,500 oo nga.
Oo.
Laki ano?
Hectares.
Grabe, kalula.
Isa nga yung 65 hectares.
Kasi kung kaya ko bilhin dito, isang square meters lang.
Ayan, alright, so in front of us, this is already our university town, no? So
Ah,
that ongoing
ayan.
road po natin is
Magtatayo yung
going to
UP,
our
oh.
university town. So as of the moment, the only university that we acquire for the moment is the University of the Philippines.
Wow.
So we have already donated po 7 to 8 hectares na po
Ang
for
laki.
UP.
Ayan na oh, may ano
So yun
na.
ang unang tatayo, sir? Ano?
Yes po. Yung
Para-
road po na ito, yung ongoing natin, ito na po yung papunta natin sa UP.
Wow. galing.
Sir, donated? Dinonate?
Yes
Dinonate.
po.
Talaga?
Yes.
Hindi, pang-attract na yan para mag...
Dinonate
ng
ko
mga
ng
ano.
bilyar ho yan, sir.
Opo, ma'am.
Para...
Lalong pagpapalain.
Marami
sa
nang tumira
Villar.
dito. Hindi kasi congested na talaga Manila. Grabing traffic.
Correct.
Exactly, kasi parang di ba if visit din naman yung mga Central Business District
para parehas
before,
lang
si
yun.
Makati,
Oo.
si Ayala, at
Central
si
Business
Alabang,
District, oh.
Yes.
tsaka
Central.
si BGC
Yan,
is
no?
much more congested na. So eventually, all of the developments will be soon still be rising pa din naman dito na sa atin.
Oh.
So it's really perfect to our clients to invest as early as now since selling pa tayo sa mga developments natin. Kasi eventually, if andyan na yung lahat ng mga development, then of course, yung price range natin for that is lalong tataas.
Taas na naman yan.
Oo.
Sir, about sa condo, ano pong
Regarding with our condos po ma'am, yung ongoing natin na for launching,
Yes.
that will be on next year si Ferrari. So that will be at the back of a Brittany Hotel.
Pangalan pala.
So siya yung first natin na condominium
Chocolate.
that
Di ba
will
may
be opening
chocolate
here
na
for
Ferrari?
Villar City. So for our condominium, technically or if I'm not mistaken, we are starting around a 1 bedroom already.
Ayan.
Tapos tayo
Villar
mag-open ng
City.
studio. So from 1 bedroom up to 3 bedrooms tayo.
Yes. Villar City.
Ay, ito pa nadaan. Oo, dito tayo nadaan. Pag napunta tayo sa Silaw.
Cavite.
Diba sabi ko sa'yo, pasok tayo. Hindi ka naman makasama. Yung paliparan yan doon.
Of course, highlight ko lang din po dito na sa atin for Villar City. Every Saturday po, naka-free car po tayo dito. So wala po tayong dumadaan na sasakyan for Villar City. Pwede, intended po natin siya for jogging, cycling, biking for Villar City po.
Public yan, sir, kahit public yung pag-enter nung mag-jogging,
Opo
gano'n.
ma'am, free po
For
tayo.
everybody.
Yes po.
Yeah, welcome.
Resident, non-resident. Pwede.
Non-residents.
Boto natin si Villar pagka-presidente.
Hindi
Ayaw
naman tatakbo yun. Si ano lang, si Miss Camille.
10 million trees po natin doon. Yung 1 million trees po natin is intended for our Foresta project. So from the name itself, the Foresta or forest, so literal po tayo na we are embracing the nature and the middle po of new developments natin within Villar City.
Mapuno talaga, no?
Before sa ano lang to sa Crosswind. Yung mga ano.
Ngayon naglawak na.
Crosswind lang dati, Tagaytay, no?
Sir, may schedule na ba nung pagtatanim nung
puno.
As of the moment po, ma'am, wala pa po tayo.
Kasi noon, sir, kami mga ahente, kasama kami sa tanim.
Nagtatanim.
Sa ano yun?
Doon sa Tagaytay.
Mga
Oo,
Tagaytay.
yun, nagtanim ka, tigos-mesa kami.
Oh, picture pa tayo doon.
Balitaan ko po kayo
Oo,
pag
sige.
may schedule na po tayo for 3